When your agent's conversation history keeps growing, SummarizationMiddleware steps in, automatically condensing older turns while protecting what still matters. Every model has a maximum context window. Left unchecked, a long-running agent eventually overflows it and loses context it needs. It watches token counts as messages accumulate. Once a threshold is crossed, it summarizes the oldest messages without splitting a tool call from its result.
At minimum, you give it a model to write summaries with, a trigger that decides when to fire, and a keep policy.
The simplest trigger is one context-size tuple. A type, like messages or tokens, paired with the threshold that fires it. A dictionary instead expresses an AND. Every condition inside it must be satisfied together before summarization actually runs. Wrap conditions in a list instead, and it becomes an OR. Summarization triggers the moment any one condition is met. Nest both forms together, a list of dictionaries, for an OR across several AND groups, giving you precise, layered control. The keep parameter decides what survives after summarizing. Commonly the most recent messages, though tokens or a fraction work too. A few more knobs exist for fine control: how tokens are counted, the summarization prompt, and how much gets trimmed first. Attach it through the middleware list, and history management becomes automatic. No manual pruning code required. SummarizationMiddleware keeps long-running agents lean, watching tokens, triggering on your rules, and always preserving the context that matters.